This video explains how to buy shares of CR Energy AG, a European energy company listed on Xetra under the ticker CRZK.DE. This is an educational guide, not financial advice, and investing carries risks, so please research before acting. To trade, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CRZK.DE to locate CR Energy AG. Confirm you have selected the Xetra listing with the matching company name. On the asset page, review the company profile and study the price chart to see recent movement. Make sure the page clearly shows CR Energy AG and the Xetra listing before proceeding. To invest, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, review fees and order details, then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Find the eToro link and further resources in the description below.